Good morning to one and all present here. First question. Which country is projected to have the largest population in 2050? Options: Indonesia, India.
Mike, sorry, Marco. Mike.
What was the estimated global human population now? Option A 8 billion, option B 7.4 billion. Third question. Which country has the highest population density as of 2023? Options: Bangladesh, Monaco. Wrong answer, Monaco. According to United Nations, the approximate global life expectancy as of 2023. Option A 62 years, option B 72 years. Wrong answer, 72 years. As of 2023, which continent has the highest population growth rate? Wrong answer, Africa. Which is the theme for World Population Day 2024? Option A, family planning is a human right. Option A, unleashing the power of gender equality. I repeat, which is the theme for World Population Day 2024? Option A, family planning is a human right. Option B, unleashing the power of gender equality. Correct answer, the end. Thank you.